I, Lalhare Murari Nath Sahadev, welcome you back, students of Standard 6, to your practice book now. The unit first and the topic which we have to deal with here is putting it together. But before I start talking about this topic, I want to answer the questions raised by two of the students. One student is Trisha Malani. She asks me if I dictate the answers or only give the ideas. And in case if I dictate, then I should dictate slowly. Trisha, my child, you are good one, no doubt. Thank you for your asking this question. But remember one thing, that you have to suppose what I want to do here is to analyze the things for your benefit. I have already explained the chapter, and afterwards I am trying to give the answers of all questions. But you have to understand them. And so far as dictation is concerned, of course, if you can write down, it's very good, it will be a dictation. If you think you have understood, then it will be an idea. So I am trying to give you everything here. But you want me to be very slow. My child, you know it that this is a video, not live cast, not even classroom. That's why if I intend to be very slow, that means this video won't contain as much or as many pieces of information as I want. That's why you have to be a bit fast. You try to develop, you try to come up. Don't try to take me down to that level which can hinder your progress. I expect that you will try to do it yourself. And if suppose you want slow speech, slow sort of explanation or analysis, then there is an option. You all are computer masters nowadays, and so you must be knowing that if you click playback audio, then you will find one option, and according to your own ability, you can either decrease the volume or you can increase it. I expect that you must have got the answer of your question. Now, next student is Rohit Kumar. He has one complaint sort of thing, that I put my photograph on the entire video. My student, I am not in front of you physically. That's why my presence must be felt by you through my portrait. For this reason, it's necessary that my photo must be with you. But so far as covering of the text is concerned, as you have stated here, I think that you haven't watched this video properly. I have slid the slides and at the same time, according to the need, I have put my photographs at different places. If you want to take screenshots, they can be taken easily. So simply you have to be a bit skillful. And I'll try my best to do something better if I can. But you have to try to find out the ways out of any kind of problem. That is the way of finding the solution of any type of difficulty. I expect that you will do according to my suggestion. Now, my students, some of you have demanded PDF. Now, this time I am trying to help you in this way. you have to take the link and then find out the PDF. In this manner, you will be amply facilitated. But what use you make of all these facilities, that depends upon you. It's all right. Now let us come to the unit putting it together. This is unit 1. This is from practice book today. 2 chapters we have already completed from literature. Now it's necessary that 1-2 units must be done from practice book also, because we have to go hand in hand with these 2 books. Now the first question is, read the following passage and make a list of all the proper nouns, common nouns and abstract nouns in the passage in appropriate columns given on the next page. Now 3 columns have been given and you have to fill up the words from this extract, this abstract. There is one passage and from there you have to select which noun is common noun, which noun is proper noun and which noun is abstract noun. I am doing according to it. This is my expectation that you must be knowing that a common noun is a name given in common to every person, place or thing of the same class or kind. For example, town, city, Ram, Ram is a proper noun. Boy, child. In this way, these words are known as common noun. Proper noun refers to a particular place, person, or maybe anything. For example, Ram is a proper noun. Similarly, new city, if it is written with capital, then this will be proper noun. There are similarly, suppose mango tree, that may be a proper noun if it is written with capital letters or initial capital. Abstract noun is a noun which gives an explanation or which refers to quality, idea, expression, state and experience. Childhood, boyhood, these, suppose the name of language, Hindi, English, these are known as, suppose action itself, these words are known as or classified as abstract noun. Abstract noun is something which is felt, experienced, but not touched. This is what you have to keep in your mind. Now let us come to the question, that column part. Now see, in the column of proper noun, Mr. Sushil Arya, then new city, time machine, meek, these are under proper noun. There are many nouns to be written under common noun column. These words are wife, child or children, family, scientist, laboratory, home, machine, gadget, newspaper, puzzle, etc. These are the words which have been found here in this passage. Now come to abstract noun. In this column, you have to select the words from your passage, given passage, and what I have selected, they are kindness, intelligence, invention, language. These are the words which are abstract noun. Now look at B number, given below are the visuals of some famous people, places and things. Write the name of each of the visuals in column A and what that visual is in column B. The first one has been done for you. Mr. Sunil Arya is a scientist. Now what may be the second one you have to see. See, for your benefit I have slid my portrait above so that you may not have any problem in understanding. Now next is a the next picture which you are looking at here, that is the Taj Mahal. What is this Taj Mahal? A monumental work. You have to write on left side the Taj Mahal and right side monumental work. Now third, you all must be knowing this third person in this portrait, in this picture is Sachin Tendulkar. And who is he? You know very well. He is the god of cricket or a cricketer. Now next one which you are looking at here, this is India Gate and this is again an architectural beauty. Now last one is Swami Vivekanand. This portrait is the portrait of Swami Vivekanand. Who is he? You know very well. He is a saint. You have to write on right side blank a saint. Now you have to solve these crossword puzzles. There are blanks where you have to put the proper letters so that they can be framed into words. In first number, some clues are already given. On the basis of those clues you have to write it. I have already done it. First number is courage. Courage, courage. The second is beauty. Beauty. Some letters are already given, some have to be given by you. Third is goodness. 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 Fourth is patience. 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 Now fifth is curiosity. 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 Sixth is poverty. 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 Seventh is honesty. 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 And eighth is bravery. Bravery. These are the words which you have to fill in these gaps. Here clues are already given. I have already told you. A good person has much courage. Then a courageous man has a lot of courage. A good person has much of goodness. A good person has much of goodness in 3 number. 1. A courageous man has a lot of courage. Then a thing of beauty is joy forever. 4 number, a patient person shows a lot of patience. 5 number, a curious person is full of curiosity. 6 number, a poor family suffers from its poverty. 7 number, an honest person possesses a lot of honesty. A brave soldier shows great bravery. Now, let us come to worksheet 3. Here you have to find out 9 adjectives, and after finding these adjectives you have to make adverbs from them. You have to understand it. Suppose in the very corner left side there are letters BOLD. So one word is one adjective is bold. Under the list of adjectives which words are here, you see bold, correct, sweet, quick, quiet, slow, merry, bad. These are 9 words. There may be more also if you find, but what I have done that you can understand very well that these are the words. Now now let me make adverbs from these words. Bold, boldly, correct, correctly, sweet, sweetly, quick, quickly, quiet, quietly, slow, slowly, merry, merrily, bad, badly. These are the adverbs. Here in these blanks you have to fill up. One is already done, loud, loudly. And remaining you have to do bold, correct, sweet, quick, quiet, slow, merry, bad. These are remaining 8 adjectives, and you have to change them into adverbs boldly, correctly, sweetly, quickly, quietly, slowly, merrily, badly. These are adverbs. Now see, replace the adverb phrases given in bold with adverbs. The first one has been done for you. See, so far as my portrait is concerned, I have put it at the bottom in the right side corner so that you may not have any problem. Somewhere if you have slight problem, you can manage it very well, because editing is also a part of your teaching learning process. Now let us come to B number. One is already done. He left the room in a hurry. In a hurry, this is a phrase, adverb phrase, and for that you have to give a single word, adverbial word. And for that reason, when you have to write the next sentence, he left the room hurriedly. Hurriedly is in place of in a hurry. There are some bold phrases, you have to change them into adverbs. Now she packed her bag with care. With care. She packed her bag with care. Now you have to write she packed her bag carefully. Now third, he fought in the war with courage. He fought in the war courageously. Next, he looked for him in every place. He looked for him everywhere. In place of in every place, everywhere is a single word, adverbial word. Now, last one, she greeted us in a pleasing manner. She greeted us in a pleasing manner. She greeted us pleasingly. This is how you have to answer this question number B. Now, you have to see the noun, and from noun you have to make adjectives. One has already been done. Nation, national. Sun, sunny. Affection, affectionate. child, childish or childlike, rectangle, rectangular, beauty, beautiful, danger, dangerous, gold, golden, hope, hopeful, year, yearly. This is how you have to answer this question.